Gemini, this is your channel messages for the, I don't know the date. Yes, I know the date. Today is the 3rd. This is the 3rd of November. Gemini, this is your reading. We're going to go ahead and go into your reading. I'm still not prepared, but why should I be prepared when I am the moment? Okay, Gemini, anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Okay, long time no see. I was taking a break, winding up my waist at Alicia Palmer. And now I'm back, so let's go ahead and go into your reading. Gemini, let's get some messages for you. First card out, Gemini, is Libra. So you might be dealing with a Libra, Gemini, or you're dealing with the justice system. Alright, Libra can also be you're dealing with a Luciferian. We have your mother. So is your mother a Gemini, Leo? I'm getting your mother is an air sign also. Didn't mean to drop your mom right there, Gemini. Yeah. So I'm getting Libra, your mother. Your mother is a Libra. Or I'm getting something about you and your mother having either it's a disagreement or you and your mom is coming to an agreement about some type of terms and conditions about something. Now the Libra card can talk about ownership. The 7th house rules partnership. I'm getting something about you and your mom being a partner in something. Maybe you add your mother name on something that you own, like you make your mom own half. Or I'm getting something about I'm getting something like your mom. I don't know if your mother is supposed to be keeping a secret for you. I'm getting your mother is debating whether she must keep a secret, whether this is a secret to law enforcement or this is a secret for you. I'm also getting, Gemini, something about you not take your mom's side. Like your mom saying, Gemini, when you were so younger, I never had to like fight you to make certain decisions. You would always listen to me. But Gemini is twins. So even though they would listen to you and your respectful advice, ma'am, that guy has a pre-existing schizophrenia attitude. He gonna listen to himself. Let's go. Or herself. It doesn't really matter. We have Cancer. So I'm getting your mom, I'm getting Libra, mother, Cancer. Your mom sick, I'm getting your mother have Cancer. I'm getting you're talking to your mother about this Cancer. Maybe your mom want you to be with, because partnerships, Libra rule partnership, Cancer rule motherhood and the breasts. So I'm getting 3 things. Gemini, I don't know if your mother have big breasts. I'm getting that's the reason why I focus on women with big breasts. Apparently, Gemini, no offense, your mom probably breastfed you up until you were much, much older. Because that's the only reason why I know a man would I didn't deny a girl solely because of our physical attraction. Chances are your mother did breastfeed you up until you were pretty old. She never weaned you off her breast. And while you were breastfeeding at your age, you start get sexually attracted to breasts from your mother. So I'm getting there's something about women, not women with big breasts. I'm getting women who have kids. I'm getting something like that. So I'm getting part of your attraction to women and then body come from the attraction you had to your mother. Because Cancer rule the breasts. Now Libra also rules again weight, scales. Is this something about surgery? Somebody want you consider breast surgery? I'm getting it's because of their mother. So I really don't know how fucked up a family dynamic should be if somebody mother, I tell them son, find out they would look at your breast size. That bitch seem like she's motherfucking hateful. And if that's not it, I'm getting, sweetie, the reason why you're being denied is because your breast doesn't look like the guy's mom's breast. That's what the fuck it is, ho. What the fuck? Why are you stressing over fucking surgery, huh? Didn't you watch the fucking TLC video? Let you feel I'm pretty too. Let you feel I'm pretty. Never insecure until I met you. Now I feel stupid. You used to be so good to me. Just a little bit skinny. Why do I look to all these things to keep you happy? Better get rid of you and then I'll get back to me. Didn't you watch a video when the man was pressuring Chili? You think, bitch? You think Usher was pressuring Chili for fucking breast surgery? He wanted his cherries to be fucking lit. That was pressing Chili to have bigger breasts. Chili had to fucking karate kick him out of the fucking clinic because she was like, I ain't getting no big breast to hold a man, bitch. You think Chili needed big breast to hold fucking Usher? Huh? That nigga was so obsessed with her small breasts, nice round ass and tight pussy that he had to sing a song. You got it bad. When you're on the phone, hang up, then you call right back. So you got it bad. When it's the thing I fall back. Oh, you got it bad when you stuck in the house. You don't wanna have fun. Chili's all you think about. You got it bad when you're out with someone and you keep on thinking about. He was thinking about somebody else, not the size of her tits. Okay? Anyways, right. Or beginning your mom wants to set you up with a cancer in a marriage. Not sure how you feel about it, but yeah. We have Ariel. Natural world healing and protection of nature. So I'm getting your mom is basically a jealous ass bitch because you want to be with a girl who's natural. And your mother, or you telling your mother, I don't know what is happening. Because this is natural world healing. Ariel is natural world. So I don't understand the mentality of a bitch or an who gonna tease a girl about her natural body. Meanwhile, they're full up of blood clot. Let me tell you something. You know the ocean divers who go to collect plastic in the ocean? If them collect everything, them could have sample it and sample you and say you're never the same blood clotting. They say the body is made up of 70% water. That bitch is made up of 70% plastic. And I'm getting, for whatever reason, I feel like your mother afraid of intelligence. Your mother don't want you to be with an intelligent woman. This is what I think. Your mom might not be an intelligent woman herself, or until she was at an older age she get intelligent. I feel like your mother want you there with a ear-headed, big breast girl. She don't want you there with no natural body, intelligent woman. This is just my opinion, and you know how the government of Toronto feels about my opinion. Ariel, can we get one more? Let's get one more. Azazel teaches humans the art of war and cosmetics. So I don't know, maybe someone's like, she's not there yet, she doesn't wear nails, she doesn't wear makeup. I mean, is that what you want? Maybe. But let me ask you something. You wore nails, you wore makeup, where's your man? Your breast was big, where's your man? Exactly. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. We're going to start off with the tarot new version. Right now we're starting off with this tarot deck. Okay, let's go. Don't think we're going to go too long. You're getting something about your mother, a cancer. Maybe this is breast cancer. You're getting something about you have to cut something out, surgery. Gemini, let's go ahead. First card out is the Two of Pentacles. So I'm getting Gemini, you have a decision to make. Either you're going to take your mom's side, you're going to take this cancer side. I'm getting you don't know who to listen to. The Two of Pentacles also comes with the decision of spending money. I don't know if you're choosing between your mother or a cancer. We also have the Nine of Wands, yeah. Alright, so there's something, okay, I'm getting you cannot tell your mom about something you did. I'm getting you can't tell her something. I'm getting you need to make a decision whether you need to. No, I'm getting if you need to tell your mother something, this is about you standing up for yourself. I'm getting you want to tell your mom that you're going to make a decision, you're going to spend this lump sum of money, but you don't know if she's going to cost the fuck out of you. I'm getting you scared. Maybe you're scared to make a bad decision, or I'm getting something about you lose a bet, Gemini. Or I'm getting you tell somebody something, the plans have changed, and you don't know how to tell them the plans change. You have the Six of Swords. Yeah, I'm going home. Are you leaving? I'm getting you leave. Or something about you spending money on this trip. You're spending money on something. We're getting two of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, Six of Swords. Like you don't want somebody to know that you travel. You don't want somebody to know that you left the country, you went somewhere, or you spent money on something. We have the Five of Cups, yeah. Me getting you have to break a decision. You have to break news to your mother about something, 5 of cups. This could be something about a relationship. Me getting it. Okay, so I don't know if you try to relocate your relationship and your mother tell you no, don't do it. Not for she. Not for that hoe. Bitch, you relocate for school. You relocate for work. You don't relocate for no bitches, especially if that bitch ain't loyal. Her clit is going to relocate the moment you sign the lease. One more. We have a 2 up. Yeah, you're relocating. You're moving. So either you're moving back. Me getting you're moving back with your mother. You're moving closer to your mother, or me getting you're moving out from your mother for leave with a cancer, and your mother is taking it as a betrayal. She said, how the fuck you first leave me if you go move out with girl? You don't love me, look how I raise you, you don't like it here. And you have to understand mothers who are very close to them daughters or sons, when you decide to leave, bro, sometimes they will be like, you're not going to leave, I'm going to throw you out. Me getting she taking it as a direct threat to her. You want to leave, you want to relocate. Maybe you want to move closer to her. Maybe she's telling you, hey, come back home with me. I'm just saying, what can your mom teach you that she didn't teach you up to this point? I know you miss your mom, but we all are going to miss our mothers at one point. They will not be in other countries. They will be 6 feet under. So I don't know what age you are. I don't know if you have fall upon hard times. When we're getting your mother to tell you to come back, she'll always tell you to come back. It's your mother. But I'm just saying, as a grown-ass man, as a grown-ass woman, what can your mother teach you that she never teach you already? And if your mother has taught you up to the age of 30, 40, 50, and you decide that for some reason the pressure of life is licking you, I'm not talking about bills. I'm talking about the comfort of having somebody close and warm to you. If your psychology is turning to your mother, Brody, I don't even know what to say to you. Cause I just wonder what your mother can give you, what she never gave you for the last 40 years. What your mother can give you, you moving back with her, what she can't give you for the last 30 years. It sounds like your mother the witchcraft on you. Because I don't know how you'd be an old woman, older man, you don't have kids, and for some reason, you get something come over you for go back home, go live with your mother. You don't have a girlfriend, you don't have a boyfriend, you don't have kids. Your mom is making sure of that. I don't know if you know that. You're getting a failed relationship, and your mother tell you to come back home. She's not telling you to try again. She's not telling your son that dirty pussy, she never deserve you. Put yourself back on her. She says, son, come home. Come home to her bosom. Does she have a man? Because her man sucks on her bosom now. One more. The devil. You sure your mother now make sure say you don't have nobody? Or your mother, getting your mother, if you told your mom that you're dating a girl, you tell your mother you date a cancer, I don't know what you tell your mother. She'll make sure say you and that person stay apart. The devil card is here. That means you can't stay. There's a girl or there's a man here you cannot stay away from. It no matter what the fuck your mother say. The devil card, or me getting the devil, your mother going to make sure that you're always attached to her. Gemini, Libra. Not only are you her son, not only are you her daughter, you're her second husband. You're her second wife. You're the devil. You ain't going no motherfucking where. Not unless it's under my terms and conditions. Or me getting your mother while you're there with this cancer woman. She went everything to make you fall in love with this cancer woman. And the devil card here, I'm getting your mother going to make it one ugly ass bitch. She's going to be ugly as fuck. Again, probably because your mom knows that you might fuck a lot. So if you fuck on the ugly ass bitch won't leave you. I'm getting, for some reason, you are a very attractive girl. You are a very attractive man. And you're there with one ugly, monstrous looking bitch. She look like the devil. And your mom want you to look like, that's what your mom want you to do with. I see that your mother was too busy trying to control your life. She didn't think about how the fuck your offspring is going to look. Because as bad as blood clot things is, at least my mother did have the good choice of knowing that her offsprings would have come out this way. Some of y'all, listen to me, if some of y'all babies could talk, they'll be like, Mom, really, bitch? Really? You were with this man and you made me come out this way? That's what you were attracted to? Really, really, bitch? That's what you were attracted to? So anytime you're looking in the mirror, if you see something about your face you don't like, just know that is what your mother was attracted to. The devil card. Gemini, let's just get 2 of these and we'll leave it here. We have the Hermit card. I'm getting a Virgo. You're dealing with a Virgo. You're dealing with a clothed man. Or I'm getting, now that you're trying to find love, there's questions about your father coming up. Getting your father is coming up in a picture. Some questions about your father. I have King of Pentacles. I'm also getting, you're very, very wealthy, Gemini. I'm getting the Death card is coming up. I'm getting something about cancer or breast cancer, or somebody have cut a lump out. Or I'm getting something about you're a businessman or a businesswoman. Your mother tell you to pack up everything and come home with the money where you get from the business. Because she know why you spend it on no woman. No woman she don't approve of. Because you got money. So if your mother is a regular thinking woman, she will say, my son have money, make him never want ugly girl and fuck on her with pretty girls. But I'm just saying, or your mother will say, my son is a wealthy man. If him cheat on the ugly girl that I choose for him, the family unit will stay intact. And now that is good that your mother is thinking about you that way. The problem is she's not thinking about the Bible. Because your mother is setting you up for failure. For you to marry a girl she approve of, but then you're going to commit an abomination of adultery. So your mother, rather you commit adultery than be with somebody she don't like. That's what it is, ho. I'm gonna leave it here.